Now let us see exercise 3.18, fifth one, second question. Okay, so now see the question, find the value of x, y, z. Okay, so the value of x and the value of y and the value of z we need to find out using this equation. X, this one matrix, here this one matrix, after equal to here one matrix they have given. Okay, so can you tell the order of this matrix? What is it? 1 row, 3 column. Okay, so this 1 row 3 column, 1 by 3 matrix. Here also 1 row 3, all the 1 by 3 matrix only. Okay, so using this equation we are going to find out the value of x, y, z. So already you know that, so how to do this one. First the left hand side part, in between plus you have. So in between plus if you have means you have to add the corresponding elements. Okay, so x plus y. Next one y minus z plus 4. Next one z plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so all the corresponding elements you have to add it equal to this one. So now see that this is the given. Okay, so you know that in between plus you have, so corresponding elements. So x add with y, x plus y. Next to y minus z add with 4, y minus z plus 4. Next z plus 3 add with 3. Okay, so that corresponding element equal to you have to write. Next x plus y, y minus z plus 4. Here you can add it z plus 3 plus 3, that is z plus 6 equal to this matrix. So in between equal to you have, so this equal matrix. Okay, equal matrix means the corresponding elements also must be equal only. So then this corresponding element x plus y is equal to 4, that you can consider as a equation 1. Next corresponding element y minus z plus 4 is equal to 8, that is you can consider as a equation 2. Next corresponding element z plus 6 is equal to 16, that you can consider as a equation. All the one, first one equation 1, second one you can consider as equation 2, third one you can consider as equation 3. Now we are going to find out using this equation, find the value of x, y, z. Okay, so now see here, easily you can solve this one. So now this third equation, z plus 6, third equation implies z plus 6 equal to 16. So z value if you want to find out, mean this plus 6 if you transpose to right hand side, that it will become minus 6. So z is equal to 16 minus 6, while as subtracting we will get the answer z is equal to 10. One value we have got it. Next using this one, another two x and y value we can find out. So substitute in which equation you can substitute z where you have, z variable where you have, there only you can substitute. So this equation only you can substitute this value. Okay, so equation 2 implies you have to write the equation 2, what is it, y minus z plus 4 is equal to 8. Now y value we are going to find out. So z already we know that the value of z, that is 10. So y minus z, instead of can you apply this value, so that is minus 10 plus 4 is equal to 8. You know that y, this is subtract and the biggest number symbol, so that is minus 6 is equal to 8. Then y is equal to this plus minus 6 if you transpose to right hand side, so it will become plus 6. So now you have got the x, y is equal to 14. So this y value can you apply, where you have to apply, now we need to find out the x value. So x equation, this one only, y value we know that. So can you take this equation, after substitute the y value, then you will get the answer, the value of x we will get. Okay, so now equation 1 implies, substitute y is equal to 14 in equation 1. So equation 1 implies x plus y is equal to 4. Then x plus y value now only we found it, that is 14. So y instead of we can apply 14 is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4 plus 14 in the left hand side, if you transpose to right hand side, so it will become minus 14. Then x is equal to subtract and the biggest number symbol, so the answer is minus 10. Now you have got the answer, the value of x, that is minus 10, the value of y, that is 14, the value of z, that is 10. Okay, so that is the answer. Now see that exercise 3.18, sixth question. Find the x and y. Here also the value of x and y we need to find out. Here the equation they have given, if x with this one 4 and minus 3. Okay, so here can you tell this order of a matrix, what is it? 2 rows 1 column, 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, plus y with this matrix, this also 2 by 1 matrix, minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 matrix they have given, that is 4 6, 2 rows 1 column, 2 by 1 matrix. So using this equation we are going to find out the value of x and y. Now see the solution. First you have to write the given. So you know that, so here in number instead of x you have, so number or x any variable if you have, means you have to multiply with all the elements of this matrix. Okay, so x multiply with the 4 and x multiply with the minus 3. So 4 into x, that is 4x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, plus here also y multiply with all the elements of this matrix. So y into minus 2, so that means minus 2 into y, that is minus 2y, 3 into y, that is 3y, is equal to 4 and 6 you have to write. Next one, here in between plus you have. So this two matrices, the corresponding elements we have to add it. Okay, so now this corresponding element 4x minus 2y. Next corresponding element minus 3x plus 3y is equal to this one. Here in between equal to you have, so that is equal matrix. So the another corresponding, the next corresponding elements are equal. So this corresponding element equal to this one. Next this corresponding elements is equal to this one. Okay, so you can consider 4x minus 2y is equal to 4 because in between equal to you have. So the corresponding elements are equal, must be equal only. Okay, 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, then this equation also you can solve. How to write this one, because the left hand side and the right hand side two table is common. Okay, so 4x minus 2y, all the left hand side and the right hand side two table is common. Then how we can do, see, so here can you divide all the left hand side and the right hand side divided by 2. Okay, so then what it will come, so this divided by 2 means 2x minus this divided by 2 means 2 will cancel, then minus y is equal to this divided by 2, then what it will come 2, because all the left hand side and the right hand side two table is common. Okay, so that's why we have divided with all the terms divided with the 2. So next one, next corresponding element, what is it, minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, so here also in this equation also 3 table is common, the left hand side and the right hand side 3 table is common. So what do you have to do, so all the terms you have to divide it with the 3. Okay, so this term you have to divide it with the 3, so this term you have to divide it with the 3. So 3 and 3 if we cancel mean minus 6 plus this and 3 if we cancel it mean y is equal to 3 and 6 if we cancel, that answer is 2. Okay, so now you have got it, the equation 1 and equation 2. We are going to solve this two equation, then you will get the answer of, and you will get the value of x and y. So now the first equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 2. Second equation implies minus x plus y is equal to 2. You know that variable with that variable and the coefficient if it is equal mean by using the elimination method you can eliminate any one variable. Now see here, this 2's are same only with a different sign and the coefficient also same only, so you can eliminate this variable. Okay, so while you are adding or subtracting, because already this different sign only, so you can, if you add it only, you can eliminate this element, this variable. So equation 1 and equation 2 you have to add it. So if you add it means what it will come, 2x minus x mean minus 1x. So 2 minus 1, that x you have to write, 2 minus 1, that is what, 1x only, so that you have to write as a x. Here you can eliminate this variable because different sign, so that's why we have added this one. Okay, so we can eliminate this variable, plus y and minus y, it will become 0 is equal to 4. Now the x value we have got it, so this x value you can substitute in any one equation, this equation or this equation, then you will get the another one variable of y. So substitute x is equal to y 5 in equation 1. So equation 1, that is this one only, you can substitute any one equation. Okay, so now we are going to substitute this equation. So equation 1 implies 2x minus y is equal to 2. So 2 into x value, you know that 2x mean 2 into x only, 2 into x value, that is 4 minus y is equal to 2, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus y is equal to 2. Then this y bring it to that side because minus together you have, so if you bring it on the right hand side, so it will become plus y, plus 2 if you bring it to this side, that it will become minus 2. So then y value is equal to 8 minus 2, that is 6. Now you have got it, x value that is 4 and the y value that is 6, that is the answer. Thank you.